Oh yay, oh yay, oh yay. Children of Moffat, this is a special message for you and for anybody else who cares to listen in. We all know it's been a tough year for our wee town. Pubs, restaurants, hotels, shops, they've all had to close from time to time. And with the travel restrictions, no coaches, and reduced visitor numbers, survival has been their key word. But one of the toughest restrictions imposed was placed upon you, the children. Schools closed, out-of-doors activities closed, sports clubs, music, all banned. It has been a difficult year. There was no gala this year. There was no Moffat rally. And even our Christmas fair has been reduced to this. But naughty Mr. COVID has brought us nothing but problems until today. And today, we are going to show the world that Moffat is not dimmed and is not down. We're still here, waiting patiently to spring into life again. And this, our lovely town, is ready to enjoy Christmas. Yes, Christmas will still be happening in Moffat. Thanks to Alan Davidson and his sprightly team of fighting electricians, our trees and shop facings have all been bedecked with lights, and our brave shopkeepers have responded by dressing their windows just for you. Now, the Moffat Promotions Group have been working especially hard. They've managed to capture Father Christmas to visit our town today. I hope most of you saw him. He's been keeping his eye on you, making sure that you've all been good. But remember, being good doesn't end on Christmas Day. Being good is something you should be doing at all times, and I'm sure you are. So I'm now going to call upon Father Christmas to come and switch our lights on this year. 10? Not yet. I'm being told not yet. I'm getting carried away here. Do you want me? I won't sing, Brad. I'll just stand and waffle.
Right, Bud's ready.
Are we ready?
Just 3 minutes. 2 seconds. Right, 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey! A Merry Christmas, everybody!